What if I told you that almost everything you've been taught about money is wrong? That the entire financial system, from the ads you see to the advice you get, is meticulously designed not to make you wealthy, but to keep you a lifelong consumer. You work hard. You try to save. You follow the conventional rules. Yet year after year you feel like you're just treading water, never truly getting ahead. It's a frustrating, exhausting cycle, and it's not your fault. You're playing a game where the rules were written by the house, and the house always wins. Until now. This isn't another video with the same tired tips you've heard 1,000 times. Skip the latte. Make a budget. Those are surface-level fixes for a deep, systemic problem. This is a masterclass, a 10-minute deep dive designed to fundamentally rewire your relationship with money and give you the blueprint to build real, lasting wealth. We are going to dismantle the psychological traps set for you, expose the hidden wealth drains in your daily life, and construct a powerful automated system I call the Wealth Engine 2026. This is the strategy that separates the top 1% from everyone else. It's not about earning $1 million salary, it's about understanding the architecture of wealth. Over the next few minutes, I will give you the exact step-by-step playbook. We'll cover the mindset shift that makes wealth inevitable, the two silent killers of your financial future, the convenience trap and status spending, and how to eliminate them forever. I'll show you how to calculate your financial freedom number and build an automated engine that works for you 24/7, growing your wealth even while you sleep. This isn't theory, it's a concrete action plan you can start implementing today. The goal isn't just to get by, it's to achieve complete financial sovereignty, to have the freedom to live life entirely on your own terms. If you're ready to stop playing their game and start building your own empire, then your masterclass begins now. Welcome to the Wealth Engine. This is the blueprint for your financial mastery in 2026. Why do most people who try to get ahead with their money end up right back where they started, or even worse off? They track every penny, they build complex spreadsheets, they cut out the lattes, and yet financial freedom remains a distant, almost mythical destination. They're playing a game they were designed to lose. The reason is simple, yet almost everyone misses it. They've been told a lie, that wealth is about math, that if you can just crunch the numbers hard enough, you'll solve the puzzle. But it's not about math. It's never been about math. It's about psychology. It's about the invisible scripts running in your head, the deep-seated beliefs about money, worth, and success that were programmed into you long before you ever earned your first dollar. These scripts dictate every financial decision you make, from the car you drive to the groceries you buy. They keep you trapped in a cycle of consumption, forever chasing the next paycheck just to keep up. You're a consumer, not an owner. You're renting your lifestyle, not building your life. But what if you could rewrite those scripts? What if you could fundamentally rewire your brain to see the world not as a consumer, but as an owner? That's not just a catchy phrase. It's the single most important shift you will ever make on your journey to financial independence. It's the difference between being a pawn in the economic game and becoming the player who controls the board. In this masterclass, I'm not going to give you more spreadsheets or complicated budgeting apps. I'm going to give you the master key. I'm going to show you the exact psychological framework I used to go from being trapped in the system to owning my part of it. We are going to systematically identify and break the 7 invisible chains of consumerism that are engineered to keep the middle class broke, especially in the economic landscape of 2026. This isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. It's about understanding the game so you can finally start winning. By the end of our time together, you won't just have a plan, you will have a new mind. A mind that automatically spots opportunities, resists manipulation, and builds wealth by default. You will stop being a passive consumer of the world and start being an active owner of your life. This is the philosophy of the escape. Let's begin. We've been sold a lie that saving time is worth any price. But if you save 20 minutes on a delivery app and it costs you 2 hours of wages, you're losing. Let's look at the hidden tax of modern convenience. The most expensive thing you can own is the opinion of others. We quit buying status symbols to buy freedom symbols. In 2026, being low-key is the new high class. If you don't own it outright, you don't own it. If It owns you. Now we arrive at the engine room of your financial transformation. This is where we build the machine. The final, most critical thing I quit buying was the pervasive, dangerous idea that you need a high income to be wealthy. For years I chased bigger paychecks, thinking that the next raise would be the one that finally solved everything. But with every salary bump, my expenses mysteriously rose to meet it. A bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive dinners out. I was on a hamster wheel, running faster and faster just to stay in the same place. I was earning more than ever, but I was still broke. The truth, the one that finally set me free, is that wealth isn't about the size of your paycheck. It's about the size of the gap between what you earn and what you spend. This gap is the only number that truly matters. It's the raw material for your freedom. A doctor earning $400,000 a year but spending $395,000 is less wealthy than a teacher earning $60,000 and spending $40,000. The doctor has a gap of $5,000. The teacher has a gap of $20,000. Who do you think is actually building a future? This is the core of the broke escape plan in action. In the previous chapters, we gave you the map. We showed you how to cut the dead weight of convenience and status. Now it's time to get in the driver's seat and build the vehicle itself. The 2026 wealth machine. This isn't a metaphor, it's a system. A fully automated hands-off engine designed to do one thing: relentlessly widen your wealth gap and put that surplus capital to work, compounding day and night, whether you're working, sleeping, or on vacation. Why 2026? Because a goal needs a deadline. It transforms a vague wish into a concrete mission. This is your 2-year sprint to build a system that will serve you for the rest of your life. The beauty of this machine is that it removes the most unreliable part of the equation, you. It bypasses your daily discipline, your willpower, and your emotions, which are the enemies of consistent financial progress. Your bank account is a direct reflection of your habits, not your inherent worth. So we're going to build new habits directly into the banking system itself. Here's how we assemble your machine, step by step. Step 1 is the automated cash sweep. This is the heart of the machine. You will set up a series of automatic transfers that trigger the day your paycheck hits your primary checking account. This is the pay-yourself-first principle on steroids. Before you can spend a single dollar on rent, groceries, or coffee, your money is already being assigned to its mission. The first transfer, the most important one, is your investment transfer. This is a set percentage. Start with 10% if you're new to this, but aim to push it to 20% or more. That goes directly from your checking account to a separate brokerage account. This is non-negotiable. This money is for your future self, and it leaves your account before you even know it's there. The second transfer is your savings buffer. This is for your short to medium-term goals and your emergency fund. Automatically move another 5 to 10% into a high-yield savings account. This is your life happens fund for car repairs, unexpected travel, or a sudden job loss. It's the firewall that protects you from having to sell your investments or go into debt when a crisis hits. The third transfer is to your bill pay account. Calculate the total of your fixed monthly expenses, rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, car payments, and set up an automatic transfer for that exact amount into a separate checking account used only for paying those bills. This quarantines your essential spending, ensuring your core obligations are always met without a second thought. What's left in your primary checking account after these 3 sweeps? That's your guilt-free spending money for the month. That's it. No more mental math at the grocery store. No more wondering if you can afford to go out with friends. If the money is in that account, you can spend it on anything you want, completely free of stress because you know your investments are growing, your savings are secure, and your bills are covered. You've engineered your financial success before the month has even begun. This system transforms your financial life from a game of defense, constantly worrying about overspending, to a game of offense, where your only job is to decide how to enjoy the money you've allocated for yourself. Change the habit. Change the life. Don't just watch this video and feel motivated for 10 minutes. Go into your banking app right now and set up these automatic transfers. Build the machine. Do it. Your freedom depends on it. See you in the next phase. Like, share, and subscribe to the Broke Escape Plan.